Ever wonder why your favorite tracks suddenly disappear from Apple Music? There are several key reasons why this happens, and understanding them can help explain those frustrating moments when songs vanish from your library. The primary reason songs disappear is licensing. Apple Music must negotiate agreements with rights holders, including recording artists, record labels, songwriters, and music publishers. These agreements have expiration dates, and when they expire without renewal, the songs become unavailable on the platform. Regional restrictions are another major factor. Music licensing agreements often vary by country or region. A song that's available in the United States might not be licensed for playback in Europe or Asia, creating geographic limitations on what users can access. iCloud Music Library is designed to keep your music collection synchronized across all your devices. However, when this system experiences glitches or connectivity issues, songs can disappear from your library or appear grayed out, making them unplayable even though they're technically still there. The end result of these issues is the frustrating experience of grayed out songs in your library. These tracks appear in your playlists but cannot be played, indicating that either the licensing has expired or there's a synchronization problem preventing access to the content. Additionally, Apple Music for Business, which provided licensed music specifically for commercial use, has been shut down. This means businesses that relied on this service now need to find alternative solutions like Soundtrack or other licensed business music platforms to legally play music in their establishments. Understanding these four main causes of disappearing songs helps explain why your Apple Music experience might sometimes be frustrating. Whether it's expired licensing, regional restrictions, sync problems, or discontinued business services, these technical and legal factors all play a role in determining what music you can access and when. When songs disappear from Apple Music, start with the most basic check, Apple's system status page. This shows whether Apple Music and iCloud services are experiencing any outages or issues. Next, verify your basic system requirements. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that both your device's operating system and the Apple Music app are updated to the latest versions. The most common cause of missing songs is iCloud Music Library settings. Open your device's music settings and ensure that iCloud Music Library, also called Sync Library, is enabled on all your devices. Ensure you're using the same Apple ID across all devices. Different Apple IDs can cause syncing issues and make songs appear to disappear. Check your Apple ID settings and verify consistency. If basic checks don't work, try these manual troubleshooting steps. Restart your devices, manually update your cloud music library, or sign out and back into Apple Music. These simple steps resolve most syncing issues. For persistent issues, check these advanced solutions. Verify your Apple Music subscription is active, ensure sufficient device storage, and consider using a VPN for regional restrictions. If all else fails, contact Apple support or restore from a recent backup.